I'm good, thank you. Good morning to everyone watching. I need to go downstairs and let my dog out. Really tired. Really tired. It's now 2:40, so I'm a bit hungry. Ooh, I might do a salad. Lettuce, turkey, avocado. I'm going on a trip tomorrow, so I don't really have too much at the house to cook with, but it's fine. Just a little goes a long way. It's been a little bit. Oh guys, look at my new little entry table. I think I did a really nice job. Gonna give him some dinner right now and then we're gonna go for a little walk. Anyway, I think I might, what was I talking about? Oh, I was saying a good full body shower feels really good. I need to pack. I haven't packed yet. I want to go for a walk with Milo. And I want to watch a movie. Somebody found a tennis ball on our walk. We're driving to Bella's at the moment. We're on a walk. I just got to Alo.
Shaking my titties.
Drake. Not spoiled. I'm driving to a laser appointment. And then I want to go into a Sephora to get this concealer. And then I gotta go home and pack. Okay, success. I went to Sephora. I got some good stuff. I got like a million sheet masks for traveling, a restock. I got some lip liners. They are in Super Size Me, and then Hollywood Honey. I haven't tried Hollywood Honey. Travel sized makeup wipes. I got this because I get so dry when I'm traveling, so I want something like super hydrating for my lips. Restocked on my NARS creamy concealer. I have it in custard, and then I needed a lighter shade, so I did Cafe con Leche. Now I'm going to meet Bella for a little bit of lunch, and then I gotta go home and I have to pack. I normally pack the night before, so I'm kind of shocked at myself, but it's okay. I'm vlogging today. You look so cute. Your eyes look so blue. What is tossing the bread? I kind of have. Let's find out what Alo sent me together, shall we? Or not sent me, gave me in real time. I want to try this on. It's a little jumpsuit. Cropped vest. I think you wear it together. We have a pair of black leggings. Might bring that as well. Black sweatpants. Oh, this must be a black set. It's just like a little black set that matches the pants. And then black sports bra. And then a big cozy Alo sweatsuit. I already showed you what I got at Sephora. I'm gonna pack some of this. To be honest, what I'm wearing right now, I really do want to wear on the airplane. I'm so comfortable. So I just might. Also, look at my sister's $3 sunglasses from Depop. I'm going to ask her where she gets these $3 sunglasses because she always has like different versions of them, and I'll link them below for you. I guess I'm just going to start, you know. Maybe we'll just like montage through it. That could be fun. Packed up. I'm gonna put these pants off to the side because I really want to wear them. I'm thinking, should I bring this hat? Yeah, I'll bring this and maybe wear something a little bit more neutral on the plane. I have like an hour till I have to leave for the airport, so I'm just gonna do a little face wash because I have sunscreen, concealer, the whole nine. Let me put you on. This cleanser is truthfully so gentle and beautiful, and it's hydrating, and it doesn't strip the skin, and it takes off everything. It takes off your makeup, it takes off your sunscreen, it gets all the dirt and grime out. That much. Ta-da! Sorry, I had to put lip liner on. I felt so naked without it, but everything's off. I love this stuff. I really love this cleanser. I'm gonna put a link to it down below. Good morning, everyone. I made it. I'm out of town again. I'm just waking up right now, and then I thought today would be fun to kind of show you like my workout today, what I'm eating throughout the day. And also I want to bring you guys to this vintage store that I really love. I just want to show you guys like some of the pieces and the prices and stuff because I love watching people do that type of stuff, so I thought it'd be fun. And I've bought some really cool pieces at the store in the past. Like 2 years ago I was there, and I bought these boots and this Chanel jacket and all this stuff, and it was fairly discounted, I would say. So I'm excited to take you guys there, and then I'll take you to my workout. Yeah. So that's kind of the plan. I'm up. It's cold, so I'm gonna do a shirt. I love these little things, but these ones, I don't know, maybe if you have to wear them in a little. They kind of left marks on my, like, creases of my fingers right here. Put my hoodie back on, wear my coat, and I'm gonna go for a little walk. Sometimes before I go to a workout, if I don't have time to make breakfast, and sometimes I don't like eating like a full meal before working out because my stomach feels so weird in the class, I just eat like a spoonful of almond butter. The reason I'm showing you this is because I figured I'd show you what I eat throughout the day, so this is part of it. I just got to the studio I'm working out at. I'm definitely not bringing my camera inside, but I'll film a little on my phone. Let's go. Okay. It's been a little bit. I finished Pilates and then I went home and I got changed and I showered and all that stuff. I'm driving to a vintage store that I'm excited to bring you guys to because I feel like as much as I know everybody is so sweet and kind on here. And as always, like, I love anything you do, even if you're just cleaning on repeat, I love watching it. I definitely don't want to bore you guys, and I feel like watching me at home every day. Although I do get it for the people that are like, no, seriously, I prefer that type of stuff because I like watching that type of stuff, so I get it. But I just also want to make sure I'm including stuff that is different and is fun, and I feel like you guys know my love for fashion, finding stuff that's affordable and stuff that's high-end. But this store I'm excited to kind of bring you guys to because I get to do both. Oh my god, I just parallel parked like a G. I am normally so bad at that, and it's so stressful. All this stuff. I love this. I did not think I'd love this much. Sorry, this vlog has like switched to my phone. As you saw, I just had a little bit of lunch, and then I came down the street and a lady at a different store told me about this street with all these vintage stores. So now I'm going there, and she said she watched my videos since she was in high school, which is pretty cute. I love when that happens because it's really like we grew up together. Let's do it. Hello everybody, I'm back in LA. I was really stressed the last 48 hours. It was such bad stress I felt like my alopecia may come back and my hair would fall out again. But instead, my eczema flared. So it's always something with me. I'm getting ready to go to dinner and I'm really excited because apparently it's this really famous pizza place that takes months to get a reservation. I think I might wear this. I'll put a link to it. Just gonna wear these. Okay, this is what I'm gonna wear to dinner. It's just comfy, cute, stretchy. These are my favorite brushes. They're just the Morphe and Makeup Ariel collaboration, but I really like them. Okay. Ta-da! It's crazy what a little makeup does, right?
top.